Here's the app called Microsoft Designer. Design and edit photos with AI. So here you have it. This is the app from Microsoft. They have separate Microsoft AI apps. Unleash your creativity, visually create, design, and edit just about anything you can imagine with AI. Use the power of generative AI to create eye-catching images with your words. Craft next-level designs that pop like personalized birthday cards, holiday cards, wallpaper for your phone, and even use AI to edit photos like an expert. Create any minute image you can imagine. Stickers, create stickers, edit with AI, generative erase distractions, remove background, blur background, add filters, adjust brightness, resize. So then you can just open it up. Then you need to sign in with your Microsoft account. So now you can start using it. And now you have it in here. You can create your own custom avatar, fill in the blanks to personalize your avatar. And then you can select size, square, portrait, wide, and then you can just generate in here. So that's basically how you can just generate like that. So now you can see the details. So this is basically like just a separate app for generating images. So that's how it works. You have credits, use them to create with AI. There's feedback which you can send. Then you can select quick start, generative erase, or remove background. And then also you can create social posts, wallpapers, avatar, greeting cards, infographics, banners, whatever you like. You can edit with AI. So this is just a separate Microsoft app to build for everything image. So that's the idea. I guess then you will need to buy some credits. AI credits refill at the start of each month. So you have like 15 credits, I guess. Yeah, so that's what it is in here. That's what it is. So yeah, pretty cool. I didn't know that Microsoft has it. This app is quite high in the charts. It doesn't have yet that many reviews, but try it out.